Hello my brothers from another mother and sisters from another mister. In today's video we're going to be doing a speaker mount install in my studio. I've bought these so that I could get the existing speaker mounts which are on the floor out of the way and create some more space. So we're going to do an unboxing of that and let's get right into it. Alright, so what we're going to do here, as you can see, we have the Suptek speaker wall mount SWM-201. I bought this off Amazon. It wasn't super expensive here in Canada, but it looked like it would do the trick. I think it was around 50 to 60 Canadian dollars. Nothing too special here, but if these do work out, I will be putting them in the control room as well to get my other little monitors off of the desk as well. All right, so let's open it up, and just so you know, I've opened it up already, and I couldn't get it all back in the same way as I started. So, but here we go. So we have the manual, okay, what comes with it. So we have the different screws and whatnot. So nothing too interesting there. Just make sure you get everything in the package. These things are the covers. There, they sit on the wall like that. And then we got our screws here, okay, so nothing too special there. Nothing going on. So this is one of the brackets that the speaker sits in. It sort of goes like, I guess this would be the front. This would be the front of the speaker, and the back would be out here. So you can go pretty deep with the speakers apparently, because this other piece here allows you to extend it out. I'll put that off to the side. Okay, and then this is the wall mount bracket. All right. Yeah, so that just goes on the wall like that, I suppose. All right. And okay, here's the other one. Take that out. Get rid of those. Here's the other bracket still in the bag. And then put this off to the side. And these things, which are I guess they're covers as well. Right. So there you go. That's what's in the box. That's nothing too much here. So we're gonna try to get these on the wall, and I have my buddy Chris here. Yeah, say hi.
Hey, I'm here to help Stu fix his studio up. It's getting better every day.
Awesome. All right, let's get to it.
I'm just gonna be eye candy for the minute that we're here while we're waiting. Okay, so to get a better understanding of how this is particular bracket goes together and that. There's a plastic piece here, and there's a carriage bolt that goes through the center here, and it goes through, and then you have your washer and your nut. So typically when you have it together, because this is a concave piece, you can adjust it like to whatever angle you want when it's sitting on the wall, for example.
But it doesn't do that though when you put the washer on, right?
Yeah, if you follow the diagram, it wouldn't. It's got a groove in here for the carriage bolt to slide in. If the washer's there, it would push it out of the groove, and then it wouldn't adjust.
Okay.
There was sound.
All right, folks, the speakers are up. I have tidied the wires up a little bit as well. It is several days later, but they are up. And this is my overall opinion of the Suptek SWM-201 speaker wall mounts. They're not bad. They were $35 on Amazon. I did purchase them, but not too bad. I'll just say that. There was a couple little issues, one being the inner part where the speaker sits in, where it swivels. There was an issue there with the washer, which is not a big deal. We just didn't use the washer. And the other issue was the plastic covers. There was a slight issue that they didn't stay on, so what I had done is I just took some tape, and then underneath it I just kind of hit it with black tape so they would stay on a little better and stay nice and flush with the wall. Alright, so you get what you pay for 35 bucks. Can't really complain. They seem like they're going to stay up. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to this channel. And if you feel so inclined, do a shout out to Chris in the comments because he did most of the work as well. Okay, thank you. Take care and have a good one.
Hey.
All right, here's some B-roll of Chris.
Yo, what up, dog?
Lord.
Oh, you know what we need? We need a ladder. Look, we got a ladder.